I'm here chilling. February 2nd, 2025. And Shorty's still kicking it. It's crazy, right? He's been around since 2006. Just enjoying his last remaining days in this flat earth. Look at that sunset over there. Beautiful, right? Shorty, where you at, homie? Shorty, come over here, boy. Shorty! Over here! The sunset, right? Shorty! Man, this neighborhood, we've been here since 2006. And, we kind of attached to this house, everything. Hopefully we finish buying this house and remodel it. My sisters can take it, and hopefully I'll get rich somehow, I don't know. Buy my mom a new house. But look at that, Shorty's over there. The house was built in the 1980s. It's pretty cool. So it's okay size, I guess. What's up, Short? Man, when this dude was young, he was strong as like an ox. And it's sad. Everything just withers away. Even us, we're gonna wither away too. All right, Shorty, he was strong as an ox. Now, he can walk, but not that well. But I take him out so he can stretch his legs and walk. And he still wants to walk, so that's good. He still wants to eat, so you're gonna enjoy him. How long he's gonna last, but he'll be immortal here in these videos. They're never gonna be another Shorty. For his size, he was brave. He was always fighting other dogs. And, when he was young, like in 2010, 2014, 2012, he was strong like an ox, like a bull, like a mini bull.